Any other questions? Yes.
How did the pond get dirty?
Well, everyone attributes the pond becoming dirty because of runoffs or things that were dumped into it, mainly Gorham, but there was also another chemical factory that was right up in this area, or actually back over in that area, this area. I'll get it over here. And there were a couple of other businesses at the other end of the pond, on the Huntington Avenue side. There is one business I looked at the other night was at the foot of Hawthorne Street, and I read an article where the city complained about their dumping stuff into the pond without a permit. Well, I guess it was okay to dump in the pond as long as you had a permit. If you didn't have a permit, you couldn't dump in the pond. So, with that, over the years, the pond has become, the water has not become clean. So it is no longer safe to eat the fish that are in the pond, whereas when I was growing up, you could eat the fish. It is no longer good to go swimming in the pond, although the pond today is a lot cleaner than it was, say, 20 years ago.
Why is that?
But, well, there have been a number of initiatives that have been taken to clean up the area around the pond, and by cleaning up around the pond and with the natural forces, the water has become somewhat cleaner. I do have to say the pond is not fed with as much outside water as it once was, and that's because of the different developments around the edges of the pond. They have changed the groundwater, so that makes a big difference.
You ever go ice skating on the pond?
Yes, yes. In fact, we always went ice skating. The thing you had to watch out for were the soft spots, but everyone, in those days, we all knew where they were. If you had a spring that was coming up, the water, the ice over that spring would be soft. So there would be boys that would be playing hockey. There would be those of us that would just went out on the pond. We didn't really have ice skates. We just went out on the pond. Yeah.
You said 20 years ago it was clean enough to swim, but you said